Now let's move to the seventh Roman. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 8 and state reason? What is the divisibility rule of 8? If a number is divisible by 8, the last 3 digits of a number must be divisible by 8. Say once again, what is the divisibility rule of 8? The last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. The number is divisible by 8. What is the divisible rule of 4? Last 2 digits is divisible by 4. For 8, last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Then entire number is divisible by 8. Now let us see some problems. See the first one. 548264. Is this number is divisible by 8 or not? To check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not, we need not to check the entire number. We can check only the last 3 digits. Check only last 3 digits. What are the last 3 digits here? 264. Now let us check whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. 8 3s are 24. 24. 8 3s are 24. Remainder is 0. Therefore, this last 3 digits divisible by 8. Therefore, the entire number 548264 is divisible by 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? The last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. Therefore, the entire number is divisible by 8. So, this is shortcut whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. Let us check whether 3 digits, last 3 digits of number is divisible by 8 or not. Now, see the second one. 893488. Is this number is divisible by 8 or not? For that, what should we do? Let us check last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. 488. Let us check this number is divisible by 8 or not. 8 8 6 are 48 and 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 0. Therefore, 488. If a number is divisible by 8, the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. See, 488 exactly divisible by 8, since remainder is 0. Therefore, this 488 is divisible by 8. Therefore, the entire number 893488 is divisible by 8. Now, see the third one. 689252. Sorry, 152. 6892152. Is this number is divisible by 8 or not? As usual, take it out last 3 digits and check it out whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. 8 1s are 8, 72, 8 9s are 72. See, this last 3 digits eight. Therefore, the entire number divisible by 8. Okay, is it clear? What is the divisibility rule of 8? If the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. What are the last 3 digits of the first number? 264. See, exactly divisible by 4. We got 0 as a remainder. Again, last 3 digits of second number is 488, which is exactly divisible by 8. And the last 3 digits of third number is 152, which is also divisible by 8 exactly. Therefore, this entire number is divisible by 8. Is it clear? Now, can you do rest of the problems in this Roman as a homework? Now, let's move to the next problem, 8th Roman. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? State reason. What is the divisibility rule of 9? The divisibility rule of 9 is as similar as divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Same as divisibility rule of 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. In the same way, the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. See some examples. First one, 568314. Is this number is divisible by 9 or not? For checking this number is divisible by 9, let us find sum of the digits. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 22, 23, 27. This 27 is divisible by 9 or not? Yes. 27 will go 9 in 3 times. Therefore, this number is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, this entire number is divisible by 9. Is it clear? What is the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. The number is divisible by 9. See the second one, 389602. Is this number is divisible by 9 or not? Find sum of the digits. 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 0 plus 2. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 26, 28. Is this 28 is divisible by 9? No. That since 28 is not divisible by 9, this entire number is also not divisible by 9. Why this number is not divisible by 9? Since the sum of the digits, this 28 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 389602 is not divisible by 9. Now see the third Roman, 516892. 516892. Is this number is divisible by 9 or not? Same, find out the sum of the digits. 5 plus 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 20, 29, 31. Is this 31 is divisible by 9? No, 31 is not divisible by 9. Since sum of the digits is not divisible by 9, the entire number is not divisible by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. If sum of the digits is not divisible by 9, it is not divisible by 9. Is it clear? Now see the ninth Roman. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 11? State reasons. What is the divisibility rule of 11? The difference between sum of the digits in even places and odd places must be divisible by 11. Once again, the difference between sum of the digits in even places and odd places is divisible by 11 or 0, then the number is divisible by 11. See the first one, 3, 4, 7, 9, 8, 1. Find out this number is divisible by 11 or not. For checking the number of digits, for checking this number is divisible by 11 or not, let us find the digits in even places and sum of the digits in odd places. Take alternate digits 3, 7, 8. Find first 3 plus 7 plus 8, 18, and find alternate digits 4 plus 9 plus 1, 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. Now find the difference. 18 minus 14, 4. Is this 4 is divisible by 11? No. The difference of sum of the digits in even places and odd places is divisible by 11. The number is divisible by 11. Difference here we got is 4. Is this divisible by 11? No. Therefore 4 is not divisible by 11. Therefore the entire number 347981 is not divisible by 11. Now see the second one. 1, 1. There are 6 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1,11,101. Again, find the sum of the alternate digits of the numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 3. Another alternate digits. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 3. Find difference. 3 minus 3, 0. If the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, either 0 or multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Therefore, this difference is 0, which is divisible by 11. Therefore, the entire number 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is divisible by 11. Is it clear? What is the divisibility rule of 11? The sum of the digits in even places and the sum of the digits in the odd places, and find its difference. If the difference is divisible 0 or multiple of 11, or which is divisible by 11, the entire number is divisible by 11. Now see the third one. 723866. Same procedure. Find the sum of the digits of alternate places. 7 plus 3 plus 6. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 6, 16. Now another alternate places. 2, 8, 6. 2 plus 8 plus 6, 16. Difference. (16 minus 16), 0. Here the difference is divisible by 11. Therefore, the entire number 723866 is divisible by 11. Is it clear? Once again, what is the divisibility rule of 11? If difference of sum of the digits in even places and sum of the digits in the odd places is either 0 or multiple of 11, the entire number is divisible by 11. Find the digits in even places and find the sum of the digits in odd places and find out the difference. 4. 4 is not divisible by 11, therefore this entire number is not divisible by 11. Here the difference is 0. Therefore it is divisible by 11, therefore the entire number is also divisible by 11. Again, difference here we got 0, which is divisible by 11, therefore the entire number is also divisible by 11. Like that, can you do rest of the problems in this Roman? Okay.